shiphai SDRF ringkat ke jingitre langbat ke kenhun pulit bana East Hills District hadian bagi langam syapok ke thliew dewïong ke badan ke baklam pendan kam syu menta ke sengi ka lai terik unaitung ha ke por jan miet kilala ban seno shabare ke met yap jong uba liet Kyrshan Lamurong lai saus nam karta uba na ke snong tong seng nong kle ki themei khubor ki thu bala suba ba ki runar ki te da ka jan na shintur bat ki la shunyat ya u hapo ke te ke thliew dewïong ka ba pendan kam syu ke badan tang ke kania ke jaka kedai ke badan hatan la rembai la subaru bagi runar kilale ya kania ke kam nadu kamiat jangka khasan terik upnai jeliu. Superintendent of Police ke East Hills District Ushailandra Bamania IPS uliat ho menaka liang ki bahayeng jong uliat Kyrshan Lamurong menhaka khandriu terik menta ubenai ki lawan bu da ko ujor ejahar hakli riat police station bat pentep ba uba Kyrshan Lamurong lembat ka kali ka ba udang thamai uja nadu kamiat khatsan terik ujeliu arja open riu bat klang wan phai shu shalayeng ha ke jingwat benya ba jing toket jong ki pulit lala ban kemno ya ki lai ngut ki briu ki bala suba don kiba tip kerteng kum ukumar bermam sauku saus nam karta ubana ku Karajar district ujoy sharan berma laipos nam karta ubana chirang district asam batlayo akemi kini arngut neki jaka bapher baha papo kathan umpleng namar begini kidei ki basong basa hayo simen ha umpleng kat baya utan sing dakhal laipos saus nam karta ubana snong mulat sumer pat lakem na kejaka klau na lum snong yakini laingut lakem mene ha kapodang step hashwa ban kenjat shai. Dei hadian ke jing toket ke babanya kita ki laingut kila pla ba kila penyap ya uba Kyrshan Lamurong bat kila let yalam lenti ru ya ki pulit syaka jaka bagi penyap bat ya thu ru baka met jong Kyrshan kadan hapo ka thliew dewïong ka ba klem pendan kam syu na kaliang ki bor pulit kila pentep syaka crime scene unit bat kumju ru syaka tanat SDRF bat dei ha ka por jan miet menta ka sengi lala ban se ya ka met jong uliat Kyrshan Lamurong la ong ru ba uliat Kyrshan Lamurong udang shudap sei na showroom ya ka kali espresso kabadang thamai bat ompat yo ya ka registration number jangka kaliru namar udang saidang menta hapo shibna ya ka kali hadian ke jing toket lalap shu bakani ka kali jong uliat Kyrshan Lamurong kadan shakaway ka jaka ka baha hapo Southwest Hills District Yaka postmortem la pendap hajan ke jaka besaya ka medyap bat hadian bala pendap ya ki bakat kum ka an la IT no ya ka met pasa sha ki bahayeng ke ya thu shu ba uliat Kyrshan Lamurong udan henriu ngut ki khun ki badang khanaret bat ya mentahi ki bahayeng kim pat kwa ban kiran bat ki shu IT ha ki bor ka an ban le ya ka badan kam kat kum ka an
police station around 11:30. So we came all the way from Shillong. So we reached here in Cleriat police station at 11:30 a.m.
Okay, operation started?
No, at that time not started. So we came here around 12:30.
Okay.
So since we came here and we found that the location is very harsh and the condition
Okay.
doesn't allow
That
us
means operation has not started yet. You will start soon, means?
Yes, we will start here.
How many teams are there? Only SRT?
SRT and police
Or SRT and
and
police?
this recovery well.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
On 15th of last month, we received information that one person, Kyrshan Lamurong, is missing from the Cleriat police station jurisdiction. Then accordingly, we started collecting the input from technical evidences and human intelligence. Yesterday, we received one input that one person, he is currently in Lumshrong area. Accordingly, I along with our additional SP headquarters and local staff of the Cleriat police station, we left to the arrest of the victim, accused, and then accordingly, one person, his name is, he is from local area, he was arrested, and he led us to the for the arrest of the other two accused, and all these three accused, during their interrogation, they have revealed that they have dumped the body of the victim in the one of the abandoned coal mine in the Lardenbai area. And accordingly, when we visited the PO, we recovered some crucial evidences like sleeper of the victim and identity card of the victim's mother. And now the rescue operation for recovering of the body of the victim is started. And during the interrogation, it is found that the victim, they have abducted the victim along his vehicle, and they have kept the vehicle of the victim in the Mokarbat district in one of the village, and accordingly SP Mokarbat has been informed, and tomorrow a team will be sent for recovery of the vehicle also.
Thanks.
We arrested 3 accused in connection with the one missing person, and they led to us the recovery of the victim's dead body. Now dead body is recovered, and after the postmortem, the body will be handed over to the family members. And currently investigation is on that if there are any other also involved, and further update will be given once the initial investigation will be completed.